Hello, lovely family. Today I'm going to teach you one of my favorite quick fix when it comes to potato, and I call it the mashed potato. So all you need is some potatoes, whether it's sweet potatoes, it's Irish potato, it's orange flesh potato, any potato of your preference, and an egg, which I like to use, or any protein of your preference, onion, some vegetables, which is optional, but I like to use some carrots and bell pepper and a bit of chili pepper to just give it some kick. So what I do is to clean and cut my potatoes into smaller cubes to make it cook faster. Then I place in my egg in there, which is washed. Then I add in my onion. I add in just a bit of bell pepper. It's just to make it more aromatic and sweet and fortified. And my carrots go in there as well. So the green chilies I used, you realize I didn't dice them because some days there's no one who likes pepper. So just in case I'm cooking for the family and some like pepper, some don't like pepper. There's one way to go about it. Then I just cover it up. But there's a bit of water in there. The water shouldn't be too much. And then salt to taste. So once this cooks, this to cook for like 3-5 minutes because this is just a small amount. Yes. So with high heat, just some 5 minutes and it's already done. You can pick your egg and then on skin or shell it. Then I'm just going to mix all of this together. So once this comes together, depending on the quantity of water you take in there, it's going to determine how mushy or how hard it's going to come out. So I always say look at the type of potato you're using. So if you're using very fresh potatoes, you may have to use very less water. And then I incorporate in some fat in there. This is a quick fix balanced diet. So you already have carbohydrates from your potatoes, you've got vegetables in there, you're going to get protein from the egg or meat or any protein source you're going to use. So what's going to be left is the fats and oils. So I like to use mayonnaise, which has a bit more of oil as well as egg yolk. So you can use any other fat option you'd want, like butter, margarine, oil, whichever you like, you can go with it. And when you're done, you can scoop it into your bowl, put your egg on it, and enjoy your mashed potato. So this is very good for when you're weaning babies, when your kids start eating. Yes, you can do it with them. You can eat it yourself on a daily basis. You can also give it to your elderly parents or elderly folks who don't really like to chew much or can't chew much. It's very fortified and good for everyone. So yes, try my quick fix potato mash recipe, which always goes well for me when I'm very hungry. Till I see you in the next food video. Lots of love. Do subscribe, do like, do share. Let's meet up again. Mwah.